Hey guys, today we are going to be telling a story about an old woman. I'm just kidding, but we're going to be reacting to that vegan teacher's video. Well, no we're not. We're going to be reacting to Anna Oop reacting about vegan teacher's video, and honestly I do not blame her because that lady is crazy and needs help. So if you don't know what that vegan teacher is, well, she is a crusty, dusty old woman who's been living on this earth and then once had a job on an actual teacher. And she's been giving these star points at people and thinking that we're going to care, but we're not. She's been to a local restaurant and that's one of her videos that went viral on TikTok. Now her accounts have been taken down. She's been making all these cool accounts and now they're all taken down, probably. You'll never know. Woo. And she now has one platform, YouTube, because everyone hates her. How does it feel to be, do you just wake up in the morning and just a thought comes to your head? How does it feel to be the most hated woman ever on the internet, social media ever? Everyone hates you. Well, they just dislike you very much because you're trying to turn them with their vegan. And we're not vegan phobic because we won't listen to you. We just don't care about that certain stuff. I care about my dogs, my fish, I care about cute cows and stuff, but it's not my fault that they were murdered and enslaved by people back in the 1800s. It's not my fault. How are you gonna blame that stuff on me? I am. And it's been like 1 month and everything has just been mine. Squid Game is just still #1 on Netflix. I still don't get that. And Fiercely was best. But I can't. Squid Game is wrong. I'm gonna spoil some of it on here, but I don't know. And Anna Oop is one of my favorite YouTubers, hands down. So make sure you like and subscribe if you want to see this. Anyways. And she even gets like a disclaimer on here. She's respectful. And she's a minor, probably.
No, your girl is going super insane when she makes an entire video on the vegan teacher. Yep, I know you guys are confused on what this is all about, but basically this vegan teacher is literally a virus aside from COVID since, well, she's been blowing up a lot lately, and coming for BLM, people say
I agree because she's basically coming from LGBTQ community and BLM, like that's no joke. And putting a whole song called "I Can't Breathe" on the same day that George Floyd was dead was very offensive to his family, to everyone, to his daughter, everything. But I don't know what you on, lady. And I agree that she's using this all for clout. And people thought this was actually a joke, but this wasn't a joke. This is actually pretty serious. This lady on my nerves.
And literally minors when all she does is protect animal rights. Yeah.
You don't have to harass minors.
Doesn't add up at all, but let's go ahead and spill the tea on the dark truth of the TikToker, the vegan teacher. Unfortunately, you guys, this vegan teacher woman, also known as Miss Beauty, went viral real fast a couple of years ago when she made a video encouraging people to eat vegan. Well, calling out McDonald's for making beef and chicken burgers. 3, 2, 1, sing! Eating and strong McDonald's, hurting and strong McDonald's, very strong. You're tired and you can be vegan from now on. Yeah. Don't ask me how this old woman went viral, but basically a lot of people found her videos very funny and entertaining at first, and she became a huge meme on all over social media platforms, which made her gain more than 1.7 million followers on TikTok. But as people kept supporting Miss Beauty's videos on social media, a lot of people started noticing that Miss Beauty isn't just a woman hiding behind a funny character that she is. In fact, she is actually a vegan teacher who came on social media to encourage people to start eating vegetables instead of animals. And that's when things took a turn, you guys, since many people started finding her videos annoying when she became very defensive about people eating chicken and meat. And guys, she even started comparing homophobia, racism, misogyny, and sexism
I heard her react to this, but this is not gonna. I wanted to react to it, but like it did not show up because this is a school laptop, and I still have my school laptop, and it's October. And also, comment down what y'all gonna be for October, for Halloween and stuff. I'm gonna have to go to my mom's wedding, and I'm going to have to do a lot of things, but I'm going to be playing Billy Loomis for Halloween, so. But she was actually very offended by putting stars right there. She's not worried about money. She's just trying to speak the truth, Miss Katie.
Animal cruelty and veganism.
Animals are modern day. What's going on here? This says white meat. Why are still eating animals?
Not having a black woman in the background talking about white meat. Sorry, but like, she did not just do that.
Treating them like property. Animals deserve their freedom. We need to have compassionate hearts. Just like any other underprivileged group, animals deserve their space and time on this planet.
While Miss Katie was calling out TikTokers for eating white chicken, she then ended the video by writing a very disturbing message to all her viewers that said this: racism is wrong, sexism is wrong, homophobia is wrong, veganphobia is wrong.
Veganphobia is not even a real thing. You just created that. So we're scared of being vegan. Is that what you mean? Because that does not sit right with me. Like, you can't just be mad at people because they can't accept it, you know? What's wrong with you? Get some help.
Not using animals
Miss
as
Katie.
if they are objects. Be vegan from now on. At this point, you guys, everyone on social media was just shook by how Miss Katie had the audacity to compare veganism to homophobia, racism, and sexism. And you guys, from that moment right there, Miss Katie gained more confidence to post more disturbing content. As she started describing coming out as homosexual is very selfish now.
She did not. She definitely did not. And I mean, like, I'm not saying that she did not. She definitely didn't do it. But I'm saying, like, she had the audacity to do it, is what I mean by that. Get some help, old lady.
Nowadays.
LGBTQ, we support you, but if you don't like oppression, why the f*** aren't you vegan yet?
Miss Katie thought that
You just not just compare it. I don't know what type of Wikipedia you have, what type of dollar store raggedy old Wikipedia you have, but like it's kind of messed up, you know, because you were basically being so. You want to be sensitive in that one video. You reacting to this video, Miss Katie, and being so very offensive and offended by it. Like we did something to you. We did not do anything to you. And we don't have problems with animals. You have a problem with us. Like, Miss Katie, get out of here and get some help.
coming after the LGBT community would give her a lot of attention, but she ended up feeling miserable. As the LGBT community didn't get offended by the unnecessary hate, she was sincere. However, y'all should have been prepared for Miss Katie to move on to her second plan, just gain attention and become a huge topic. Since, well, she decided to take her clout chasing situation to the next level and call out the famous chef Gordon Ramsay for not being vegan, and of course, Gordon hit back at
So basically I just want to give y'all, before I start back this video, I want to tell y'all about my small business, Tiara's Glasses. Follow me on Instagram. Please support, because the earrings I'm wearing right now, yeah, I made these. And they're coming out probably at the end of October if my stuff gets here in time. And I just made these because all my other stuff came and I want to make bracelets, but the material I have for the bracelet things, they don't really work right. So I'm probably going to set back the bracelets, but sell the earrings. And I'm only going to have 8 in stock. And after that's all gone, y'all are going to support y'all can support the business. My Cash App's in the bio of my Instagram. Go, it's Tiara's Glossers. So, yeah.
video saying this.
vegan donut.
Anyways, at this particular moment, the internet was just going nuts about how Miss Katie turned out, but then her true colors started getting exposed day after day, and she turned out to be a monster for offending a lot of people around the world. Speaking of Miss Katie offending people, let's go back to June 2020 when the vegan teacher left many people speechless after she posted a singing video titled Don't Breathe on her YouTube channel. And in this video, you guys, Katie stated that the song she was singing was written on May 25th, the same day George Floyd was killed by the hands of the police. I Can't Breathe, composed on May 25th, 2020, with new lyrics added on June 19th after the sudden death
You
of
did
the
not. You actually did not do this. This lady did not do this. This is very wrong and offensive. Like, how could you do this?
Not only
Old
composed
lady.
this song on the same day George Floyd passed away, but she off her comment section just to avoid the hate comments she was about to receive. Since, well,
Why would you do it if
aware
you...
that her video was actually racist. But after
It is.
sort of getting on everyone's nerves for posting a video about
So I have enough of this because what she's saying makes me mad, not the video himself. But guys, make sure you like, subscribe, check out my small business. I hope y'all have a wonderful day. God bless you all. But I'll see y'all later, and also go, if y'all have a chance, go to that vegan teacher and call them bad names. So